morning. Happy New Year. Good morning with our food panda delivery boy. Yes, boy po ito, naka-pink. Sasuke, good morning. Good morning. Sabog. Sabog pa. Mga puyat. Ayan, happy Thursday. Thursday nga ba, sabog na rin ang utak. Good morning, good morning. Sakay kami sa e-bike na hindi umaandar dahil gusto niya ng pasya. Morning. Morning, say good morning everyone.